Hello again, folks. Today it's Monday, so it's time for another mini lock Monday. I'm going to try and pick this tiny little ace padlock, which is only, well, 18mm, not even 2 centimeters. Tiny little thing, really nice padlock as well, because it's got a brass shackle as well, all brass padlock. And it's also time to give this gorgeous little pick from Runesmith a try out. If it'll focus, there we go. Yeah. So that's time for this tiny little one. I used the thinner of the two law lock tools, bottom of the keyway turning tools. Today I'm going to use this one because each lock likes what it likes. So we'll put that in there. We'll do it in hand. It's obviously too small to mess about with. It's got a tiny little sprung core. Sorry, there's a bit in on the key as well. So let's see if we can get this open on Mini Lock Monday. So I'm going to go into the front and in the back. And there we go. We've got it. There we are. There we got the key off. Make sure it all works fine. Like so. And just for good measure, let's have another go. Prove it's not a fluke, as we say. Of course, this time it's a bit harder. There we go. Ta-da! So that's it. Yet again, the little purple heart does it. Picks this tiny little 20mm ace padlock. Focus is terrible today. Made in China. But still a nice little lock anyway, with the all brass shackle. So that's it for now, folks. Till next time. See you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.